How's it going, guys? It's Frankie from Xtreme. We just finished up this beast of an M4 behind me. It got a full body PPF. It looks really, really good, man. You know, I'm actually really happy how this job came out. We just had the customer come back here. He looked over everything. He's super satisfied with it. Every single piece of this vehicle is covered. Headlights, bumper, hood, everything. Always recommend PPF on black vehicles. If you can do a full body, perfect. Black vehicles are so susceptible to micro scratches, swirls, and stuff like that. Even if you take really good care of it, something always pops up. So having the PPF on there, the self-healing, is a real nice peace of mind knowing that if you get any of those swirls or micro scratches, they go away on their own. We'll catch you guys next time.
Low-key, I've been undeveloping my OCD, shipping my anxiety overseas, making paper planes out of OCPs, feeling like a kid again. I'm so free. I'm so free. Don't believe everything that you see. Silicone trees, could they ever grow leaves? Don't believe everything that you see.